Hi everyone, welcome to another video. For this episode, we will feature Corgi's Batman 2000 DC Comics Batmobile 1:43 diecast scale. So now that we've seen the package from all angles, we will try to unbox it now. There you go. Now that we've unboxed it, we will try to take a closer look at it. Starting with the bottom part, you see the Batman character embossed there. And then you see it's a diecast metal. That's rubber tires. It's a bit heavy. Let's try to take it for a spin. See all the angles again. Okay, this is just one part of the other series, Corgi Batmobile. Most of them are classic ones. And for each model, they have a specific moving or moving parts. For this part, you see that the engine is rotating, okay, as seen in the package below. There's an engine that rotates whenever you drive or move the car. Okay, let's try to take it for a quick spin. Adjust the angle a bit. Okay, and there you go. Okay, let's park this one for a while and let me show to you my other Batmobile diecast collection. Most of them are Hot Wheels and Tomica. I'll show them in the future episodes one by one. Thank you for watching. I hope you will subscribe and share and like this video. Please comment also what you think about this casting. As I said, that's it. Thank you for watching. Batman out.